Hey, I'm Matt here from Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, and I wanted to give a testimonial about my experience with Global Films. I first met Jason probably about 8 months ago now. He walked into my shop and he wanted to be helpful. He didn't try to sell me stuff right off the bat. He just simply wanted to understand more about us and get to know us. And he did leave a sample of film. He says, hey, please give it a try and let me know what you think about it because we want feedback. And that's one of the things I look for in a supplier is a strong desire for feedback throughout products and service. I've been with several of the competing suppliers in the past, and service tends to diminish as the company grows. With Global and with Jason's commitment to service that I've experienced with him, I can confidently say that I can trust that Global will do what they say they're going to do, and they will have the dealers back for any resources that they need. We hosted a training at our facility here in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, and it was one of the very first trainings that Global put on. They flew up a trainer from California who was very talented at especially bulk installations, and we had a lot of new people here. Now, I can't quite say that it was a perfect experience by any means. There was a lot of ways to improve it. But what I really appreciate is that Jason and the rest of the team took that feedback seriously. They ran it up the chain and they made plans on how to adjust it in the future so that it could be a fantastic program going forward. And they even gave me some opportunity to participate in feedback for that loop going forward as well. When it comes down to my business and my values as a person, I will only work with suppliers who align with those values. And Jason has been very committed to incredible customer service. For example, I ran out of gel a few weeks ago and I couldn't wait to get some shipped in. I texted Jason at 7:30 at night when it's family time and I said, Jason, is there any chance you have some gel on hand? He says, I'll make it happen for you. He was at my shop the following morning with the gel in hand. He actually went to another shop in town that had some, purchased it from them, and brought it to me. That was a lifesaver, and I'm really appreciative of the ways that Jason has helped me in particular. He's taken my feedback, taken it seriously, and he's kept me in the loop about it as well. Global has a partnership program, and I'm really impressed that they don't require you to lock down to just their brand or just doing things their way or making their sign prominent on your building. You get to keep your brand the way it is. And that's what I really respect about it. They want to help build you along the way and invest in you. And they want to be your preferred supplier, but you're still welcome to use other films as well if the project is more appropriate for that. It's for these reasons and Jason's great service that I'm seriously considering becoming a global partner for our business and our team so that we can continue to grow and we can help grow together and build a great community right here in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho and around the rest of the country.